So in this video, we're going to go and give the seat Ibiza just a little wash to then, once it's all clean, we can go and see if it needs anything sorting out. Can't we? Yeah! And that's what he thinks about that. Well, my little boy just said that my jet wash isn't good enough for him, so he just said that he doesn't want to help because he wants to get a better jet wash. So it looks like it's just going to be me giving the car a quick little clean, and then once I've done that, we'll go over the car to see if there's any other little bits and bobs that eventually need sorting out. Definitely the worst bit. Always let the water run through before I turn it on. So don't do it very well. There's only all now. Where's that going on in? There we go. Well, let's go look at this car now, see what we got wrong with it. Right, let's see what we got wrong with it then. Now we just washed it. Right. So we got some scratches here. I mean, you probably touch that up. Nothing really too bad. And like I said in one of the previous videos, that just needs screwing on better. All the alloys are curved as anything, like even corroded in some of the alloys, but I mean, I could spend some money and get them refurbished, but then I'd be losing out on the profit. And we got some scuffs here on the door. Quite a big scratch here. Some paint, like lacquer's coming off there. Another alloy, like to have a proper clean really. I mean, it's not really, there's a few scuffs on it. Oh, that's quite scuffed, like badly scuffed there. But the front end, I mean, there's a little mark there and a few scuffs here that'll just polish out. Down here, that's to the metal, and you can see that the ring's actually even pulled out a bit, but that's an easy fix. Just get a mallet on there, get a hammer and tap it in a bit. But yeah, this wheel's quite bad as well. All the lacquers, all the paint's like lacquers painting off. Oh, lacquer and the paint. Got a chip there. Some chips there on the door. You know, there's a few scratches here and there. That wheel's quite bad as well. But overall, there's a few scuffs there. But overall, not bad for 200 quid, is it? I need to clean the inside, but could do a parcel shelf, and this some of this. I don't know how this goes back in. Let's go underneath there, I think. Yeah, so pop the seal off and put that back in there, and the same on the other side. As you can tell, I haven't cleaned the inside yet, but you know, it's a decent little car. Let's show you how clean the engine looks now after I cleaned that down as well. Look at it, it looks brand new. And no, I didn't jet wash the ECU before you put that in the comments. But yeah, not a bad little car, is it? Bargain, I'd say.